Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, so write down. Find number of moles present in. Find number of moles present in. Find number of moles present in. Number of moles present in. First one, 11.2 liters of N2 gas at STP. 11.2 liters of N2 gas at STP. This is the first question. You know the formula for number of moles? How many formulas are there? Three. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass, then volume at STP upon 22.4 liters, and third one is what? Number of molecules upon Avogadro's constant. Okay, so which formula I will apply here? So I will better write that formula. Number of moles is equal to, sometimes number of moles is written by small n. Number of moles is written by what? Small n. So it is what? Mass upon molar mass. Just don't write anything. Try to understand this first. Mass is given by W, molar mass is given by capital M or small m. Mostly capital M or small m also is used. Because capital M is used for this, no? Molarity. Okay, this is the second formula is number of moles is equal to volume at STP upon 22.4 liter. Correct? I'm writing in short, volume at STP upon 22.4 liters. And I'm writing a number of moles. Here also number of moles. And the third formula, number of moles is equal to number of molecules. Number of molecules. If I'm finding it is difficult, write like this. Number of molecules upon Na. Na means what? Avogadro's constant. Avogadro or Avogadro, whatever the way you say. Avogadro's constant. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Clear? Okay, so just do this. So what is given to us? Volume is given. And you have to find what? Number of moles. Which formula you will use? First, second, or third? Second. Try. Write the formula first, do the substitution correctly, and write the answer. Good. See, don't do these things. No, see, some things is important to tell you always. How I'm doing, just check. एक numerical best of करून टाकायचा. First thing you will write, nothing you will write in shortcuts. Okay, number also you will write. Let it be, the teacher is telling you number of moles. कोणाचे number of moles काढता आम्ही? Of whom? N2 gas. This way you should write. Now you do shortcut, no problem for me. But in the exam, I want you to write this. Number of moles of N2 gas is equal to what? Volume of N2 gas at what? STP. Divided by what? 22. This should be your formula. This way. This way it should be your formula. Time dita boro. Understand what you have to do the things. What we say, number of moles is equal to volume upon 22.4 liters. But in the exam, you should write like this. Now, what is told to us? Number of moles of N2 gas is told. Volume of N2 gas at STP is what? 11.2 and divided by what? 22.2. What I was talking, like, don't do it here. Do it at the side. Hey, calculation, don't like do like this. 1, 2. Don't do like this. Yes. Teachers might say you have cancelled. So do it at the sides. This show like this 11.2 divided by 22.4 and answer will be 0.5. What is the unit for number of moles? This way it should be in the exam. Can anyone cut your marks here? No. Okay, so please be careful. It will have only 1 mark. Number of moles. Okay? Clear? Copy this. किती झाले? Shania, understanding? How is Shimon? She's at home? Bring her home someday, like for chemistry class, you know. Sorry? What she said? She said something. Okay, sure, huh? Tell her that Kapil sir is missing her. She is one of the smartest in the class. I don't know what happens to her when exam comes. She's different Simon when exam comes. She has to do something extraordinary. I don't know. Okay, second question. Same. Find the number of moles. Second one. Second one. 16 grams of CH4 gas. 16 gram of CH4 gas. How many of you are Konkani student here? Konkani? 1, 2, 3. You are a Konkani student? 87 म्हटलं कितले? अरे how I will come? You know how to write? You know opposite of Konkani, like some opposite things. Where म्हटलं किती? Where? Circle. You know how to write circle? Sure. Write and show me. Just. Okay, continue with chemistry. Or you will forget chemistry also. सांग रे 87 म्हटलं किती? होय. होय. कितले 10? 107 म्हटलं कितले तर 107. कितले 70? 70? 70 का 77? 77? 70? 70 म्हटलं किती? 77 में 77 म्हटलं किती? 77 is 77. 87 is 87. Okay, sort. No problem. Sort रे, काय नाही रे, असं रे. No, I'm just telling you, we are fighting for Konkani and our language, no? There is a war, no? Marathi, Konkani, yes or no? And we forget our Konkani language, Konkani numbers only. How we can fight? Okay. This is not a platform to discuss. Do this numerical. What you will do? Number of moles of which gas is given? Which gas is CH4 gas? Number of moles of methane gas, try to understand this, CH4 gas is equal to, what is the formula? Mass of CH4 upon molar mass of CH4. In some schools, this way it will be used. Formula also दिला असतो, W upon N. In some schools. Some schools, it will be like mass upon molar mass you have to write. Depends, huh? Every school is different. So given mass is what? Given how much? 16. And molar mass कितना है? 16. Answer is what? म्हणून उगी बसलाय 1 mole म्हणून. Okay, wait. This is just a start. Raw myself. Next. पुरा नाही third झालं नाही. Okay, अनेक देता. Third one. 49 grams of H2SO4. 49 grams of H2SO4. 49 grams of H2SO4. Tweet. Same question. Third one. Find the number of moles. I'm going in order. पहिलीच जर difficult start केलं तर तुम्ही माझ्या मागं नाका म्हणतले. Sulfur, I think 32. Now let me check, huh? काय सारखं बघ ना. H2SO4, it will come up to 98. Check. I think 32 only. Is the understanding? Don't take it wrong way, huh? Best सांगतो का? कितले येता आन्सर? तू कसं येतलं रे? तू मुखार बस आणि त्याका फाटल्यान बस दोघां इकडे बसनाका तुम्ही. तर निकोलाय बावड बेजारात तुमच्या दोघांना 0.2 check everyone. It is 49 upon 98. Sorry. How much you getting? 0.5. Check 0.5. You are getting 0.5 everyone. 49 to is 98 my dear students. त्याचे दोन एके दोन दोन जणी चार करपा गरज ना. 49 to is directly 98. 1 upon 2. 0.5. I was knowing 1 to 30 tables and 1 to 50 square by heart during my peak time. Okay, good. Clear, sir? I will not go beyond this, huh? So that we can solve more numericals. Next, right? We have 12 into 10 to the power 24 molecules. खूप झाले, huh? 12 into 10 to the power 24 molecules of O2. कोणाचे? O2, oxygen. Okay. Find mass of O2. Find mass of O2 and volume of O2 at STP. Find mass of O2 and volume of O2 at STP. पढ़ाते हैं. Okay. You will do. Try कर. Okay. Try कर. Electron gain enthalpy definition सांग. Isoelectronic definition सांग.
Having different number of electrons can same number of having different ions of the
हाँ फेवत ना.
different number of electrons but same nuclear structure.
Magnitude of electron. Good. See, खुश डालते हैं. एक तरह आंसर सांगलो. Okay, see ya. First, you have to check what is given. Molecules. Okay. So I will write this formula first. Number of moles of O2 gas or oxygen, what is given, is equal to number of molecules upon what? Avogadro's constant. From this, what is the given? It is 10 to the power what? 12 to the power 10 to the power 24 upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Correct? So from this, I am getting number of moles. Yes or no? So I will get here some answer as moles. I will check if I have the answer with me. It is coming up to something called related exactly as something 20 moles it will come. Have you understood this part? Now, but still they have told us to find what? Number of moles, mass of O2 and what? Volume of O2. So from this, will I get mass of O2 and volume of O2? I have just got what? Number of moles. So can you tell me what is the next formula I will use? Number of moles of O2 is equal to what? Mass of O2 upon molar mass of O2. Correct? Understanding? Yes? So number of moles of O2 we already got. It is 20. Mass of O2 we have to find. And what is the molar mass of O2? 16 plus 16, it will be 32. So from this, I will get mass. What is the unit I will write here? Students, sada yaad kar. Answer the unit compulsory. So mass I will write what? Grams. Understanding, Benjamin? Okay. And the third one, what I will do? Number of moles of O2 is what? Volume of O2 upon what? 22.4 liters, correct? So therefore, volume of O2 will be number of moles of O2 into 22.4, understanding? So volume number of moles of O2 is what? 20 into what? 22.4. Answer. What will be the unit here? What will be the unit? It will be liters. Understood? Understand? See, the three formulas are very important. With respect to that, you should know how to solve. Kaida? Yes? Sure? This side, Lisa? Yes? Samiksha? Okay with this? Answer to me, Kadpata, Sudhan. This thing I was telling about. I will not do this thing, solving. I will not do this. तुम्ही जाय त्याला मागे complaint मागाच करा. I'm telling you directly. I will not do this. If you want, you can just. If I tell your parents also no, they will say I shouldn't do this. आया अगर बजाव तुम्ही सांगा. Should I do this part? Solving? If you say yes, also I will not do. Okay, this संविधात्मक is संविधाता सर करतो नी संविधाता. Okay, this is clear. Okay, आता एक मात्र tricky numerical दिता. Okay, let her write. Right. Answer माही काढपाचं शोधून. घराकडे काय काम असतं आमचं हैदन घासपा पडणार जेवण करपा पडणार काय ना वचपाचें जेवपाचें खावपाचें आणि स्टडी करपाचें. Okay, clear? Okay, next one. Very good. A gas has mass of 32 grams. A gas has mass of 32 grams and it occupies 20 liters at STP. And it occupies 20 liters at STP. Calculate molecular mass. Calculate molecular mass. Calculate molecular mass. Which formula you will apply first? Okay. Number of moles of a gas is equal to volume of a gas upon what? 22.4. So sometimes the students you have to be little smart. Okay, I will tell you what you have to do. Volume kadpa layla amka, what is told to us? Molecular mass kadpa layla ni. So number of moles is given. Number of moles is given. No, so we have to find number of moles. So it will be what? How much it is given? 20, no? So 20 upon 22.4. Keep this like this only, no? Solve कर time किया जाता. Go for the next formula. Number of moles is equal to what? Given mass of gas upon molar mass of. This I am writing shortcut, huh? If these things are done in a school, then only you can do, or you have to write mass upon what? Molar mass in the exam. I'm telling you again. Don't do these things. Actually, it is meaning is same. Mass upon mass of the gas upon molar mass of the gas. But see what your teachers has done. What they have done? They might have written in words mass upon molar mass. Okay. So number of moles of gas is given as what? We have got it as what? 20 upon 22.4. Yes. 20 upon 22.4. Yes. Into mass of gas is what? It is 32, and molar of mass of gas we have to find. So therefore, molar mass of gas is equal to 22.4 multiplied by 32 divided by 20. Answer will be grams per mole. Molar mass is calculated in terms of grams per mole. Okay. Here it will be, unit will be what? Moles. Just check if you are done like this. Solving is your hand, but check the formula and substitution. Have you understood this part? Yes. I'll answer. Somewhere. How much? 40. Actually, this was 0.89. Comes to 0.9. Let it be now. But the answer I am getting is 35.8. 35.8. कोई कितने matter होता कोई. So after decimal, at least you have to keep minimum 2 digits. 35.84. Correct answer is 35.84. See, be careful. Here, the answer, final answer will be 35.84 grams per mole. Have you understood the substitution? Yes. How to go with these things? Okay. 35.84 is the answer. Lisa, Kaita? Lisa, what is the definition of atomic radius? Very good. Joseph, what is the definition of isoelectronic species? Sorry. They have the same electronic configuration but different charges. Actually, meaning is same. Mean? No, same electronic configuration is same number of electrons. But they have what? And magnitude of nuclear charge is also different. I, what is the initial enthalpy? In the gaseous state from an isolated atom. Okay, a question Divya. Third chapter. See, your purpose numerical learn काय जारतलो. Continue numerical. Take बारीक सा question. See ya. Magnesium and magnesium 2 plus. Magnesium and what? Magnesium 2 plus. And in between I will write magnesium plus. This will be my IE1, yes or no? And this will be what? IE2. Tell me which one will be more? IE1 will be more, IE2 will be more. Think and tell me. Think and tell me. Which ionization enthalpy will be more, IE1 or IE2? IE2. Okay. IE2. 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 Nikolai. Daniela. IE2. IE2. Wait you. MG, electronic configuration. I know. Sir, तुम्ही सांगलेले successive I's are always higher. But there are some factors affecting I. I have gone through this. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, correct? 3s2 is like this, correct? So IE1 will be look like this. IE1 will look like this. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, correct? It will look like this. And IE2 will look like this. Sorry, IE1 this one, IE2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. You think magnesium will not give this electron easily? You think? Or it will give? Why it will give? So you think more energy will require to remove this electron? Or this one? Which electron will require more energy? This the paired one or this single one? And what you said, so where ionization enthalpy will be more? IE1 will be more, I2 will be more. IE1 will be more, I2 will be more. IE1 will be more. And how means? First thing, this is paired, fully filled. You are removing this. Okay, still if you are saying this one, you think more energy will not require here. So automatically IE1 should alone, right? Because you are removing from a paired one. Sorry? Yeah. Yeah. So I'm asking who will require more energy? Who will be more? IE1 will be more, IE2 will be more. You all told me IE2 will be more. You all told me IE2 will be more. I am saying IE1 will be more. You think more energy will require to remove the electron from IE1? So automatically energy कमी लागतली न्ही. Mg will easily give the electron this one. But why electron काढपा easy असा? Because it is what? Paired असा. S subshell is fully filled असा. So automatically चड energy लागतली. So IE1 will be more than IE2, yes or no? Now wait. In the case of sodium, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. What will be my IE1 look like? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, correct? You think IE1 will be more here? If I want to write IE2 for sodium, this is ionization enthalpy. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Tell me who will be more, I1 or I2? I2 will be more, me? Yeah. Yes or no? But in this case, will it be like that? Tell me, Gerald, what doubt you have? I know. That's why I told you, ionization enthalpy is a very dangerous concept. उसको लगा डाला तो लाइफ झिंगा लगा. I2 means after removing you are getting this I2, no? So I2 केन्ना मेळटली? हो इलेक्ट्रॉन काडटरे मेळटो मरे. So हो इलेक्ट्रॉन काडपाक तुका एनर्जी लागतली. That will be your I2. So it will be less, no? Understanding? हो इलेक्ट्रॉन काडटरे तुका एनर्जी लागतली. त्या एनर्जी हा I2 म्हणटलो. हो इलेक्ट्रॉन तू काडटा ते एनर्जी I1 म्हणटलो. So automatically I2 will be less, no? Are you getting the things? So be with the concept. And why this will be less? Why this will be less? Because he will attain what? Stable noble gas configuration. Clear, sir? I will brush this ionization enthalpy again and again and again. It's a very important concept. College केला काय ना ते I don't matter. It doesn't matter for me. School high secondary करू झाला ना करू. For me, because this will be required for P block. Next year it will be again required for D and F block. In D and F block, it's a vast thing there. Ionization enthalpy. Because you know the electronic configuration of d orbitals. There is chromium, there is manganese, there is copper, there is zinc. In between Fe is there. So they really creates a lot of problems because of this Hamilton internship. Expected question you पास सकता हूँ ना. So okay, next one here. Next one. The reaction is given to you all. CaCO3 गरम कर कॅल्शियम ऑक्साईड मेळटा खंय आणि कोण मेळटा CO2 मेळटा खंय एक रिएक्शन दिला अशें. You know the name of this? Calcium carbonate. This is calcium oxide. This is carbon dioxide. Okay, this reaction is given. Now write question. Now write. Okay, atomic mass of calcium I will give you. Anyone knows? 40. Very good. 40. Very good. Good. Okay, write a question. Find volume of CO2 produced. Find volume of CO2 produced. Find volume of CO2 produced. When 50 gram of CaCO3 is heated. CaCO3 is heated. So check this out, how to do. Okay, the numerical is given. How to do. First thing you have to know that whether the reaction is balanced or not. Is it balanced? Check. One calcium, three oxygen, one carbon. It is balanced. So if I write number of moles, कोणाची सांगला आमका find the volume of CO2 produced when 50 gram of CaCO3 is what? Heated. So number of moles of CaCO3. आता grams दिला म्हणजे mass is given. So I will write what? Mass of CO3 upon what? Molar mass of CaCO3. Correct झालं पय? Yes or no? Number of moles of CaCO3 is the mass of CaCO3 upon molar mass of CaCO3. Now mass is given how much? 50. Molar mass of CaCO3 you will come to know 40 plus 12, 52. So then 48. So 52 plus 48 is 90, I think. Check kar. Will it come to 90? Or 100? 100. Okay. So 50 upon 100, molar mass of CaCO3. 100. So what is the answer I will get? 0.5 what? Moles. So how much moles of CaCO3 is produced? 0.5 moles. In one CaCO3 molecule, I'm getting one calcium oxide and one CO2 balance. Yes or no? एक CaCO3, एक calcium oxide देता, एक CO2 देता. Then tell me 0.5 moles of CaCO3 will give how many moles of calcium oxide? 0.5 and how many moles of CO2? 0.5. Are you understanding this thing? Yes or no? So therefore, the number of moles of number of moles of CO2 will be equal to what? 0.5 moles. Are you understanding this now? Yes? Joseph? Yes? Sure? You are with though. Okay. So what is asked to us? Volume of CO2. Volume of what? CO2. So what is the formula? Number of moles of CO2, volume of CO2 upon what? 22.4 liters. Therefore, volume of CO2 will be equal to what? Number of moles of CO2 into what? 22.4. Are you understanding this? Volume number of moles of CO2 is what? How much we are getting? आम्ही calculate करू ना हे. Have we calculated CO2 ना? From CO3 I came to know. Right आणि कष्ट आहे एक CaCO3 एक CO2 दिता त्याला 0.5 moles किती दिले आमका 0.5. Little bit of stoichiometry. So therefore, volume of CO2, number of CO2 is what? 0.5 into 22.4 liters. Calculate this. What will be my unit? Unit liters. Clear, sir? Understand? Yes? Take a note of this. Okay, next one. Have anyone has found the answer for this? The answer is 11.2 liters. 11.2 liters. Meta. Good. So you all are very good in maths. Appreciated. Barzal. Good. C4H10 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Better? Find mass of CO2 produced, mass of CO2 produced, and mass of O2 required when 5.8 gram of butane, when 5.8 gram of butane, B-U-T-A-N-E, butane, is burnt. Is burnt. So for your convenience, I'm just balancing this to 13, 8 and 10. Try कर भैया. So mass of butane is given, no? So which is the first formula I will use? Number of moles of butane is equal to mass of butane upon what? Molar mass of butane. Correct, sir? Mass of butane upon molar mass of butane. What is the mass of butane given? I think 5.8. 5.8. Molar mass of butane will be 12 by 24, 48, 48 plus 58. 58. So it will come to up to I think 0.01. Sorry, 0.1. Check. It is 0.1 what? Moles, correct? Butane we got. Ata. Well, how to proceed with this? First they ask us what is our mass of CO2 produced. Well, mass of CO2 produced. So they have asked us mass of CO2 produced. So they have asked us mass of CO2. Okay, stop writing, focus here. So 2 moles of butane gives what? 2 moles of butane gives what? 8 moles of what? CO2. 8 moles of CO2. 2 moles of butane gives what? 8 moles of CO2. Then 1 mole of butane will give me how many moles of CO2? It will be 8 by 2, yes or no? So 4 moles of CO2. Are you getting the things? How many moles of butane I got? 0.1. So therefore, 0.1 moles of C4H10 gives us how many moles of CO2? Then 1 by 10. See? So here also I will do what? 4 by 10. So it will be what? 0.4 moles of what? CO2. So I got number of moles of CO2. So therefore, number of moles of CO2 will be what? Mass of CO2 upon what? Molar mass of CO2. So number of moles of CO2. So therefore, we have to find mass of CO2. So mass of CO2 will be equal to what? Number of moles of CO2 upon what? Molar mass of CO2. Clear? So number of moles of CO2 we are getting how much? 0.4 and molar mass of CO2 can you calculate directly? Carbon is 12, 16, so 32 plus 12 is 44. So 0.4 into 44, you will get the answer in grams. Yes or no? Clear? So this is about CO2. They also ask what? O2 required. O2 required. Understood, no? So my answer, I will have the answer with me also. It is 17.6. It is 17.6. आता एक impression मार्फत statement बरोबर आहे. That 17.6 gram of CO2 is what? Produced. Understood this part? This is important for me. हे कळलं झालं, हे easy होता. Now wait, O2 is asked, no? O2 is asked. Correct, no? Mass of O2. So 2 moles of C4H10 requires how many moles of O2? 13. So 1 mole of C4H10 will require how many moles of O2? 13 by 2 moles of O2, correct? Are you getting the things? So therefore, 0.1 mole of C4H10 will require how many? So 13 by 2 is 7.5. Divide by 10. Sorry, 6.5. Divide by 10. Moles of what? O2. Which this will come to what? 0.65 moles of what? O2. But we want what? Mass of O2, correct? Therefore, number of moles of O2 will be mass of O2 upon molar mass of O2. Therefore, mass of O2 will be equal to number of moles of O2 upon molar mass. Number of moles I am getting 0.65 and molar mass will be what? 32. Solve this, you will get answer in grams. Understood? See, if you know the concept, numericals are easy. Understand झालं? माशी तरी? Understood, Iziko? Benjamin? Daniela? Sure? का सरापारीच पाहिजे म्हणतो? Understood? Sure? Take a note of this. Wait बघ. तर हाडे कितल्या पावता? नाही. निघता. कितल्या निघता? काय माहित झालं निघतात नाही ते. नाही निघता सारखे नाही. तिथे वचन आता रेस्ट आता खाता जेवता म्हणून मग मध्ये मस्त मोबाईल असतो कोणी स्नॅप किती धाडला इंस्टाचे रील्स किती धाडला यू यूज मोबाईल you have your own mobile so time is given to you so what's your screen time you have your mobile now check your screen time and tell me what it is huh you don't know you don't use you don't see you check your screen time anytime screen time on your mobile see if it is more than 5 hours means you are wasting too much time screen time you don't know your screen time yeah how much it is check if it is more than 2 hours it is also too much how much it will be Lisa you think 4 hours make it less for only for these 2 years huh 2 hours daily 1 hour daily no check no it is given no 2 hours say that you are making it half an hour up till 12 Sridhar Paita sure good I just start केला chapter तुम्ही पावला teacher yeah but what is where she has reached first and that homogeneous heterogeneous significant figures and nothing is done to yours First chapter you told me you just started, no? Then in school I'm talking about. Some other chapter? Danger. Okay. Okay, what is the answer you are getting here? 0.65. I have the answer with me here. No, I don't have the answer with me. Sorry. What is the answer you are getting? 20.8. Check if anyone is getting this. 20.8. Okay, good. कळटा न्यूमेरिकल्स मातशें तरी जमता अंडरस्टँड जातात कॉन्फिडन्स आसा मातसो सो कॅन यू सी द इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ दॅट नंबर ऑफ मोल्स फॉर्मुला So I will give you my personal favorite question. Is it there here? Na murtanga. Okay, no problem. Okay, take this question. Before that, let me finish with this part. 10% W by W. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Weight by weight, mass by mass. So what is the amount of solute here? 10% means what? 10 gram. What is the mass of solution here? 100 grams. What is the mass of solvent here? 90 grams. Correct? If it is 10% mass by volume, then solute is what? 10 grams. Solution 100 ml. Yes, on 100 ml. Okay, clear? Then 10% volume by volume. What is the solute? 10 ml. And solution and solvent 90. Clear? Good. Very good. Okay, so take the first question. A solution is prepared. A solution is prepared by adding 10% by adding 10% mass by volume of NaOH in water. Calculate first one. Molarity, capital M. Molarity, capital M. Second one, molality. Third one, this much you calculate. Okay, so let's write the formula. First one is molarity, capital M. The formula is number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liters. Examine definition of it is asked. Molarity, number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. Next, molality, number of moles of solute upon what? Mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in what? Kg. Clear? Formula. Now we'll write what is given to us. So number of moles of solute means what? Mass of solute upon what? Molar mass of solute multiply by volume of solution in what? Liters. Are you understanding this thing? Number of moles formula कितने हैं? Given mass upon molar mass. Yes or no? Given mass upon molar mass. This you know. It can come in the denominator. Yes or no? Okay. Next is number of moles. Again I will write here mass of solute upon molar mass of solute into mass of solvent in what? Kg. See if you have not understood this part, everyone. See, I have written these shortcut things. You have to write in words. I'm going time save karda. But you know what this concepts, you know what you have to write. Clear, sir? Now let's write what is given. What is given? 10% mass by volume. What solution? NaOH in what? Water, correct? NaOH in what? Water. So first thing I will write here, W of NaOH, mass of NaOH, correct? And NaOH is my solute, yes or no? Mass of NaOH, that is my solute. How much grams? 10 grams. Now, is the volume of solution given? Volume of solution, it is what? 100 ml, correct? Anything else is required for us? What is required? Mass of solvent. How to find mass of solvent? Mass of solvent. So I think we will not able to find here molality. Just 1 minute. No, we will not able to find molality here. We can find only molarity. Mass of solvent is not given, no? It should be W by W, then it would be a mass of the solvent I would have got. So this much, okay, let's find this only. So mass of the solute, that is what? 10. Molar mass of solute is what? NaOH has a molar mass 40 into volume of solution is what? 100 divided by what? 1000, because you have to convert it into liters. So 100 divided by what? 1000. So cancel. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This 2. So it will be 10 by 4, check. So it will come to 2.5. Unit is what? 2.5 and molar. 2.5 and that is molar. Molarity. Daniela, understanding? I think you are totally Daniela drain. At what time you went in the school? 7 o'clock or 7:30? Till that, you are here only, out of the house, out of your town, out of your mind. Try to understand. I know I can understand your situation, but no option. Hey, Lisa, bring some energy drink for your friend. She's totally drained. Bring something for her. Sir, how can I do that? What should I bring? Okay, but you and Shana went to have something, no down. Just take some ethanol, mix in water and have. Don't do like this. I can understand your situation, sir. But option ना नहीं हमका किधर है सा? काय? किधर doubt असा तू? Molality काढपाची ना. Because so solvent दिवू ना नाही. Next, a solution is prepared. A solution is prepared by adding by adding easy number देता है, easy number का difficult करूं, easy or difficult? Easy, sure. By adding 53.33 gram of he has given me a look. 53.33 gram of should I give a solute easy one? Yes. Easy one or difficult? Difficult. Okay. So NaOH 53 or what I can 53.33 no gram of NaOH and 200 gram of water. 200 gram of water. Calculate first one molality small m. Molality small m. On the next line, write down. On the next line, write down. If the density of solution, if the density of solution is 1.072 grams per ml, if density of solution is 1.072 grams per ml, then what shall be the capital M molarity of the solution? Capital M molarity of the solution. Do this. Mass of the solvent in kg. Okay, so let me solve this. Molality. So molality बरयताना सदांच हांगा small m बरोवपाची. You will get used to these things. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in what? Kg. I am writing in short. You will not write this in the short. In any school, these symbols are used. Damodara Uduna, Loyolas. Sorry, you are not in Loyola. Rosaries? No. Other schools, any other? तुमको use केला? असा कोणा तरी use केला. No, this is हे useful जाता, but you should know how to read this. Mass of the solvent in what? Kg. So what is my solute? How much it is given? Mass of solute. It is what? 53.30. Should I make this easy? So 53.33 will take. Easy घेऊया? Cancel करतले? हाँ, easy घेऊया? Easy असा? Okay, बरं. करू easy करूया? Okay, so take it as around 25 के. Okay, मस्त easy करूया. 25 के. उतना भी बुरा नहीं हूं मैं. हे नेत्रावती आता. समीक्षा मग पोहेत ना. Shania is in her own world. Okay, focus here. So number of moles of solute is given mass upon molar mass. Solute upon mass of solvent in what? Kg. So what is the mass of solute? 25. What is my this solute is what? NaOH. What is the molar mass of NaOH? 40. Mass of solvent. What is the mass of solvent given? 200. And since it is given in grams, yes or no? So I have to convert it in kg. So divide by 1000. Solve this, you will get the answer in, and unit will be what? Small n. Wait. Wait. We have to also calculate what? Molarity. Number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in what? Liters. Is the volume given there? Is the volume given? Density is given. So formula for density of solution is what? Mass of solution upon what? Volume of solution. Correct, sir? What is mass of solution? Sorry, 2. Mass of solution मतलब कितना है? Mass of solution will be mass of solute plus what? Mass of solvent. So it will be 225 grams. Correct, sir? So here it will be 225. Correct? So I will write this W, mass of solution. No? Understanding? And volume of solution is what? We have to find, no? Volume of solution we have to find. Now, what is density of solution given? 1.072 grams per ml. So it will be volume of solution will be equal to what? 225 upon what? 1.072. So Misha, understand Zala? Now, this you understood? So this is actually density of solution. And density formula is mass of solution upon volume. Mass upon volume. So mass of solution is what? Mass of solute plus mass of solvent, which will come to 2 to 5. And volume of solution we have to find. Density is given to us. So if I solve this, I will just calculate this fast. 2 to 5 divided by 1.072. It will come. It is coming up to 209 point something. 209 point, wait, 8. So I will write here 209. What is the unit? ml. ml. Correctly? Understand, Dada? See, be careful in this case now. The important thing. If since density is given in terms of grams per ml, it is given in terms of what? Grams per ml. That's why I came to notice ml. Sometimes they will give grams per liter. So your answer will be your what? Liters directly. Now I have to convert this in what? Liters, yes or no? Because my volume should be in what? Liters. So I will 209.9 divided by what? Divided by 1000. So I will substitute. Number of moles of solute is what? Mass of solute upon what? Molar mass of solute into volume of solution. What in liters? Are you understanding this? Right? So what is mass of solute given? Mass of solute 25. Molar mass is given. How much? Molar mass of solute 40. Volume is 209.9 divided by what? 1000. Solve this, you will get the answer. The unit will be capital M. Understood? Understood molarity and molality आता. Calculations. Solving is in your hand. Clear? Next class, I will try to do molecular formula and empirical formula. Along with that, in any of the schools, limiting reagent is done. Loyalas, na करू ना? Check कर पे book दी. If you have the notebook, show me. You don't have a chemistry notebook? Change the logic. अपना पहना अपन notebook करो ना. What you are searching there? It's a book. Your teachers don't check your notebooks and all. I blast my students if they don't complete my notebook. I make them write 20 times. One of the students, he was just not listening to me. 1 to 30 elements. I made him write 500 times and given 3 days time. Life on त्याने माहिती केन्ना homework करनाच नाही होणार तो. Then he has done. Okay, answers you do at home, please. And unit किती molarity small है मा. आता राव रे, राव, wait. If it is not small m, then what is another unit? Wait, stop. If it is not small m, what is the other unit? Moles per what? Kg. Moles per kg. What is, if it is not capital M, then what is another unit? Moles per liter. Right, Ani? You all are smart, huh? Good. Appreciate it. What is this? Good. This is my numerical only, 32 gram of N2. And the same thing is done. Same type numerical is this. All the numericals are same type. Okay. So, can you send me this page, this part? Who is that? This is empirical. Just send me the photo of this. Okay. Okay. Any other schools? Limiting reagent is done. I'm asking again. I told you all last class. The topics what are done, just send me a message. So okay, forget about this. At least limiting reagent is done or not. Just check and let me know. Because that is one of the difficult concept, limiting reagent. Numericals are a little difficult. Okay? So, only definition. Limiting reagent, there is one concept called as limiting reagent. There are some numericals also we ask. No. Numericals for only definition. Definitely. What is limiting explanation? Direction. Okay, fine. Numericals limiting reagent tell me. So that I can study, I can like what I can say, solve more numericals on this part. Acha mage mole fraction normality is done numericals. Not done. Normality na bakicha kona normality asna. Normality only in Gelada, Damodars and Loyalas. Normality is done. Numericals are done. Is there no? I know, no. Rosary is no. Understood, no? So next class I will do numericals on mole fraction and empirical molecular formula I will start with. Because after next class, I don't think so. Whose exams are starting? Rosaries, I think, no? When are exams starting? 22nd.